In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link to a specific slide in Google Slides. This is perfect when you want teammates, clients, or classmates to land on the exact slide that matters, instead of starting at the very beginning. Start by opening the Google Slides presentation that contains the slide you want to share. Make sure everything on that slide looks the way you want it to appear for your viewers. Next, click the Share button in the top right corner. This is where you control who can access the presentation. Adjust the sharing settings based on your needs. If you want the link to work for anyone you send it to, choose the option that allows anyone with the link to view. If you prefer to keep it more private, restrict it to your organization or add specific people. For most cases, viewer permission is best, unless you want others to comment or edit. Now, in the slide panel on the left, click the exact slide you intend to share. You should see it highlighted, which confirms it's selected. This selection is important because Google Slides updates the page's URL to reference the slide you've chosen. With that slide selected, go to your browser's address bar and copy the URL you see there. Each slide has a unique identifier in the link, which is what lets you direct people straight to that slide. You don't need to enter present mode. Copying from the normal editing view works perfectly. Paste the copied link wherever you plan to share it, an email, a chat message, a calendar invite, or a document. Add any context your recipients might need so they know exactly why they're being taken to that particular slide. Before you send it broadly, test the link. Open a new browser tab or window, paste the link, and make sure it opens directly to the slide you selected. If it starts at the first slide, go back, select the correct slide again, and recopy the address. If someone tells you they can't open it, revisit the share settings and switch to a more accessible option or add them individually. Remember, every slide in your presentation has its own unique URL. That means you can create multiple direct links to different slides within the same deck, which is great for agendas, follow-ups, or pointing reviewers to specific sections without duplicating the file. And that's it. You now know how to share a link to a specific slide in Google Slides. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.